Hello and welcome to your favorite channel, The Next Best Trader. It's your boy again, Lee, and I'd like to welcome you all supporters of this channel who have been sharing and showing the love by the comments and making sure that a lot of people out there know about what we are offering and doing on this channel. As you can see, I've got my recorder trailed to the website of one of the fast growing top firms, my Forex fund. And I'm sure you probably know the reason why, because as late as last year, I promised you that I'll be doing a series on top firm challenges. I'll be taking challenges, trading them live for you to see and learn from them. And we'll both learn from both the failures and the wins, the progress that was made. So I'm not really just opening them so that I can try and demonstrate that I am an exceptional trader. No, I have my ups and downs, and I do not even know what's going to happen with these profit challenges. I cannot say entirely that I will win each and every one of them, but we will trade them according to the strategies that I've been showing you partially here on this YouTube channel, and more also that you will learn in days, weeks, and months to come. So yes, I started with the 20K challenge with one of these fast-growing pro firms. I've taken the evaluation, the 20K challenge. I'll go with you through the order. We know, I'm sure, the rules: the 5% drawdown, 12% overall drawdown. In the first stage, I aim to make 8% profit. Then the second phase, I aim to make 5% profit. I've got 5 minimum trading days, and there are no trading restrictions. You can go through all those rules for you to familiarize yourself, but that's just the gist of it. Upon passing the first stage, you go on to the second phase, whereupon you need 5% of the profit, and then after that, if you pass again, you become a funded trader with my Forex fund. So this is what I want to try and demonstrate here, guys, that it is possible if one really commits themselves to the process and not try and rush things. They'll be able to access funding out there that prop firms are willing to offer. So my goal for 2022, as far as prop firms are concerned, I would like to see myself trading a $1 million funded account, not just with one prop firm. I don't know if there's one that's doing that out there currently. Well, I know with scaling up, you can be able to do that, but that will take a bit of a while. So for 2022, I would like to be taking up various challenges with various prop firms until I can amass a combined equity of $1 million by December 2022. If we are still alive, I will be able to show you the progress that would have been made, the lessons learned. So now let me quickly take you to the 20K challenge that I took with my Forex fund. As you can see, this is the order here. This was processed on the 19th of January 2022. 20K cost $139. It was paid for, as you can see. So maybe let me try and refresh, see where it will take me, so that we can all see that this is not photoshopped. Yes, as you can see, coming back to this screen. So I've already started trading this account. I bought it yesterday. I started trading it today, the 20th of January 2022. So I'm going to quickly take you to the account history, to the account metrics, the dashboard of my Forex fund. I would like us to analyze this account a bit. So I'll click Account Analyzer. It's loading. There you go. So here we are again, the same account details, as you can see, my name and everything. This account, 30 days, because I've just started trading it today. It's an active account. It's an account of $20,000. So these are the limits for the day. We can see the equity, we can see the balance as well. So now let's go to the metrics. Like I said, profit target for this phase is 8%, which amounts to $1,600. I've got 30 days, roughly, that's about 20 trading days to achieve the target. So starting balance is 20K. So currently I'm standing at 2.6%. Yeah, 2.6%, yes. That I've changed on this account. We'll go through one or two of the trades that were taken for me to get to this. So win rate 88%. I'm not looking at this much because it's just day one. Most traded instrument, GBP USD. Most traded, I would say, because I was closing partials, several partials along the way. That is why my trades are saying 17 here. Lost traded, that's 21 in total. Let us go to trading history. I've traded 3 instruments, Euro Dollar, US 30, and I've also traded GBP USD, these 3. So for now, I'd like us to talk only about this. These are the only 3 instruments that I normally trade. You have heard me say that my pet index is this one, US 30. But if I can't find a setup on US 30, I look at Euro Dollar, I look at the cable as well. So fortunately today I managed to dabble into all 3 as I was just testing out this account. So I'd like us to look at GBP USD, this trade that was taken. In total, it made about just over $300. So I'd like us to look at the setup that brought this profit. So I'm going to quickly go now to the chart. I've got the chart here. This is my demo trading view demo account. I won't be able to show you the MT4 because it doesn't give me much flexibility in order to show you the things I'd like you to follow on. So like for example here, if I hover my mouse over here, it will show you that I bought here at this level. It will also show you here the partials along the way. If you can see here, the partials along the way, and this trade was ultimately collapsed. So what went into my mind as I took this trade? I was looking at the target to be just about here. That's where I was hoping to go, to jump off. So I was looking at the price going up. Here for me was a breaker here, a spot by ICT, and in line with it was a bullish order block here, this candle here. We are on the 5 minute. So we quickly go to the dollar. The exact same thing was happening. The dollar has just collapsed and it was pushing back up. The dollar has just broken below this breaker, which I consider to be a breaker as well. So I wanted to push it back up and then continue dropping to at least this level here. As you can see, there was a huge drawdown before. As you can see now, it's continuing to drop. So the other things as well, we won't be looking at them, but they are worth noting. So I actually recorded this trade that I took here. I would like to bring up the video now and walk you through some of the things as I took this trade. The video is coming up now shortly. There you go. You can see me place an order here for 5 million units, and then the order goes at market. As I've highlighted earlier, after price goes up, I wanted to see it come back again, and then it pushes back up. So I'm going to fast forward this video. Let me push back a bit. You can see me highlighting here the part where I want to see price go push up, then retracement, then push back up, at least above this level here. That's what I was targeting. and this is about 20 pips, this level here from my entry point. So let's fast forward the video again, see what happens. There is a lot of moving parts here. Now we are on the dollar index because this, for me, are the things that I look at when I'm trading. I think one of them, I look at 1, 2, 3, 4. The euro dollar, the US30, the GBP USD, and the dollar index. Let me pause. I want to explain something here. For the dollar, I was saying it would drop, push back up, then continue to this level down below here. So see it also on the chart. This is correlation. I'm trying to isolate the other moving parts that I do not need to explain this setup so that I don't confuse you. As you can see, price is pushing up now. Price is pushing up. Let's concentrate on the GBP USD for now. Things are happening. Price is pushing up. As you can see, this is actually taking place. Here I'm going to write something, but I'm demonstrating. Let me play it from here. I'm demonstrating trade management using correlation of pairs. What happens to you may tell me what's likely going to happen to DXY or euro dollar and so on. That's what I was saying here. Trade management. As I was moving between from dollar index to euro dollar to US30 to GBP USD, I was trying to see where we are in terms of order flow, because these things tend to they what was happening. Trade was turning out. I'll trend fast forward. Then I took a partial here. I took my first partial, closed it, and let's keep moving. As you can see, the dollar is highlighted with that yellow part collapsing. Dow Jones, I was looking at it as well because it tends to give me certain things that that give me interest. I was saying a lot of moving parts. Let's speaking of playing. As you can see, the GBP USD here, it went ultimately it hit the profit target. As you can see, let me bring back the chart. Ultimately, as you can see, profit target was hit. So this move overall was about, from entry, was about just about 20 pips. So 20 pips, guys, depending on what you do with it, it's a lot. As you can see, it has managed to push my account to a good opening position or stage. Looking forward to push it as well from there. So I don't want to make this video too long, because this is just an introductory to our series that is soon to come. So yes, back again to my Forex fund. I'm going to refresh it one more time so that we can all see that this is actually happening. This is not photoshopped. We'll again refresh it, coming back up. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll come back with more next time when there is need to update you as to the progress on losses. We'll be able to share them together and we can all learn from it. Thanks for your time. Keep learning and hopefully you're finding success in your journey as well. Take care for now.